Welcome back to Planter Garden TV. I'm back with another video. Hope you guys doing fine, guys. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel. If you did not hit the notification bell, hit that notification bell that you can get all the latest update. Well, today I really want to talk about the pepper plant and if it matters whether you plant it deep or not. I think it's wise to plant a pepper plant deep because pepper need to be grounded in the soil because of wind and because of rain. Sometimes the pressure from the wind can break down your whole pepper plant, which if it grounded in the ground and the wind is high, it's gonna pop the limb instead of breaking down the whole plant. And also the benefit from planting your pepper plant deep, your plant can grow bigger, stronger, and produce a lot more fruits for you. So I'm gonna show you a good way how to plant pepper. All right, so this is jalapeno pepper. It's a hot pepper. I plant them every year and they do pretty well. So today I'm going to plant them. So I want to show you the depth of the holes that I plant peppers. I go at least 12 inches deep. 12 inches deep. I'm using my tape measure, and you see 12 inches deep. All the holes is at least 12 inches deep. Even the other one over there, 12 inches deep. All right, so I recommend planting pepper at least 12 inches deep. I guarantee you're gonna get a lot more result. Your pepper gonna stand more firm in the earth. They're gonna be able to spread their root. In this way, you water them less because the root is very deep, and they're gonna definitely produce more for you. Okay, so I already measure and I show you 12 inches deep. So now let's go planting. Now let me show you one more thing. The thing about it is, right, when you planting peppers, I mean, sometimes we plant them 4 inches, sometimes we plant them even smaller, 3 inches, some people do 6 inches. This pepper is at least 9 inches tall, which is a very good height to plant. So when you plant them at least this height, you can able to plant them deeper. It stand a better chance of planting them deeper. It's easier to plant them deeper. Okay, so allow the plants them to grow a little high, 5-6 inches, that you can able to plant them deeper, because you do not want to plant them on top of the soil, because when the wind break, the wind gonna break them out the root. Okay, so look at this hole. You see the depth of the hole, and you also see the width of the hole. So now I'm going to transplant, and I'm gonna put, you see, this thing is almost down in the hole. So when you plant like this, your plant take less water because the sun gonna take more time to get down there to suck out the water from the root. So you bring it, and you bring it to the bottom of, you bring the soil to the bottom of the bottom leaf. Okay, and you leave them. So you see, you plant them as deep. So the more they grow, you're gonna keep adding the soil until it's reached to the top up here. And when you reach to the top, the root already anchor in the ground. So you ain't got to worry too much about the wind breaking your plant out the ground. You more have to worry now about protecting the limbs that's growing, because sometimes when you plant like this, the pepper them does get so big and you just have to, the pepper sometimes split the limb without even the wind. So this is very important. Okay, it's very easy to plant pepper, very easy, simple, but if you follow these steps, you can get better result. Does it matter if you plant your pepper deep or not? Yes, it do matter. If you're looking for a good result, I think you need to plant your pepper them as deep as you can, and you will get great result. So this is what's going on. Now transplant tree pepper. So I just wanted you guys to see how to plant pepper and whether it matter if you plant them deep or not. If you guys like this video, please hit the like button. Comment, share, comment if you have any comment. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Peace and love.